chill stream. Is that this one? I think it's this one. No. Set that there. Should be the chat now. Can't really tell. I feel like it's not, but like I can't tell. I feel like it would have to be this one. Does it make sense? No, that's weird. That is weird. Okay. We'll just leave it there, I guess. Oh, I can just pull up the music one. Does this sound good though? Does this sound good though? It's pretty good. Okay. Alright, so everything sounds pretty good. Nothing really got messed up from yesterday. I. Back to Roblox. Do I have the thumbnail up? Let me make sure. Yeah, okay, cool. No one's coming in here thinking I'm making a Duck Duck video. Sick. Alright, where were we at last time? You know, I was working on this land script. And I was trying to make it universal for this. Yo, Kosib, normal stream today. I'd like to announce it's a normal stream. I'm really excited. I got so yesterday was so bad, dude. I think I told you as soon as the stream started, but I don't drink coffee usually, and I didn't eat any food for the whole day, like since up to that point. And so I don't drink like caffeine, so like I was like dying after. So after I finished the stream, I felt like I was like sick and gonna throw up and everything because caffeine doesn't work well with me. But it was pretty, it was kind of funny. I also have a really good idea for editing the stream yesterday. But I can't tell anybody that's a part of the stream because I don't want them to know of how it works. But I think it'll be a really good and funny video. I had like, I guess, dreams of it yesterday, of how it would go out. I also have new music. I remembered I have there's a playlist that I used to listen to all the time, but I stopped listening to it and I forgot about it. But I played it yesterday and then I was like, I can play this on stream easy. This would be so nice. So I got better music now. And we might see Syntex join, I'm not sure. I know he usually goes to sleep around like 30 minutes from now, or 30 minutes before now, I don't know. Alright, for the mouse controller though. So mouse dot let me see. I think it's target. Mouse dot enter, mouse dot target. I don't think it was that one though. I lost the one from yesterday because I like dragged it over and it disappeared, so kind of sucked. But I gotta figure out which one I was using exactly. Where's this one being used in? Master target and master target dot parent. Mouse up, down 1. Oh, dude, I just realized something I could do with the coding. Okay. I'll do that in a second once I figure out how to do this. I just need a... Is it on move? I think it's on move, right? Yeah, when the mouse is moved. Moved, and then we connect... And we connect the select existing object. No. I think this is, we're just gonna leave it in here. We're gonna connect the function, I think. Function. It's got a function inside of a function. Okay, nice. So let's do that, and then end. Or I guess I could just make a new script. Local function mouse hover. Now I'll connect mouse hover. Just to make it a little easier to understand. Mouse hover? You don't want to work? Did I misspell it? No. Kind of confused. Should work. Why does this not work? That is weird. It's because that, maybe? Mouse hover? Dude, that's so weird. I don't know why that wouldn't work. I guess I'll search it up, maybe. Right here. Roblox mouse dot move connect. It's fired when mouse is moved. The object is not control restrictor. I guess I'll just also call this on mouse move. That would make more sense. So let's do... Still not finding it. Key controller? It's still not seeing it. It's kind of odd. It's kind of odd. Right now, I'm just trying to figure out how to connect this thingy, which I think you know probably if you're watching for a little bit, but I'm just trying to figure out why this is not working. So whenever the mouse moves, I'm going to have a bunch of scripts going to see if it's like a selectable object or not, and then whether you could buy it or if it's like just something you place or something. But I just need this to actively work. Because I could do function. And then I could just do on mouse move. But, oh, wait, hold on. I think it's because it's below it. That might be why. Some languages do matter about positioning on these. Yeah, okay, so it's just because it's below it. I forget that in some languages it actually does matter. Some languages do that beforehand for you, like in the background, so you don't have to worry about that. Alright, so on mouse move, I do actually want to, so the way I'm going to set this up, Fenday spray. The way I'll probably set this up for myself is I'll have the parent object So this will be the parent. This could be like a wall or a floor or like a shelf or like an animal cage or something. And then this will have children. Probably for like animation or probably for like the visual of it, but also it'll have a script that I could name. I'll have a script called interaction or on mouse. So then whenever we use on mouse, it'll have a function in there that either selects it or buys it or something. So that way I don't have to manage everything in a mouse script. I manage it inside of the parent block, which I feel like would be a lot easier. So we're gonna do mouse controller would actually have to probably be on. I'm actually gonna set this down here in this function. B controller dot build mode. B. No, disabled was kind of. This is kind of a hover effect, so let's do. We'll keep them in the same spot, and then we can disable both of these after. Local. What would it be? Disconnect. We'll just disconnect one. Local disconnect two. Because I don't know what else I can name them, honestly. And then I think syntax said I could do this. This would make sense. So we and set them as equal to that. And then we should be able to disable them when we set up the disable purchase. Disconnect one. Disconnect. Yep, there we go. And then disconnect two. Disconnect. So that should be good. Local function on mouse leave. I want it to be a little cleaner. So we'll do that. We'll do on mouse leave here. And then we'll clean up this function. Need to end there. So now we'll do on mouse leave. Is that there? There's some oddities up here. I put it. This looks so weird. I think I messed something up. Just potentially. No, I think I just put it in the wrong spot. So this should go in here. And then I need an end. And then we'll throw. We'll fix the way it looks a little bit. It looks kind of weird. Alright. So now on mouse leave, we're going to end that. So now whenever we set this up. Why is this getting an issue? Hold on. So I have two ends already. I don't need that one. Cool. So whenever the mouse leaves the active target, then we can also have another mouse script in there that says on mouse enter, on mouse leave, and on mouse use. Local function on mouse use. Oh, it was gonna autofill something. Dang it. On mouse use. It was gonna autofill. I want to see what it was. Target mouse, if name. Oh, it's just copying what I did last time. No. So we're actually gonna do. Let me see. We can also have the local target be up here, rather than be within each single one of these, because I feel like it's kind of odd and repetitive. Also, how's everyone doing? There's a lot of people joining, but no one's saying what's up. How's everyone doing? We're doing a program stream today. If you came from yesterday, it's going to be a lot more chill. And I haven't had coffee, so I'm not like sporadic today. I'll do a. I don't need to make it uppercase right now. Target is equal to. So on the mouse move, we'll do target is equal to mouse dot target. So that's all we need in the mouse move right now. And then we can have. Well, actually, no. So if target is not nil, or I guess if target is nil, we're going to start doing this again. If target's nil, or we should also have a last target. Local last target. Bro, how are you? You guys are memeing me, man. You guys are memeing. Okay, nil. We'll set this to nil. If last target is not nil. I did or. I gotta do actually. I gotta type out or. I don't like that. Okay, so if target's nil. No, stop. We're not auto-filling anything. If target's nil or the last target's nil, and the current target is nil. Then return. We'll just go back. If... Well, no. Hold on. We'll just do if the current target is nil, and then we'll do something else later. If, or just do it right here. Last target is not equal to nil. Then we said, then we got to call the function within this parent script to. Okay, so we're gonna have a couple different functions inside of here. So on mouse move, we're gonna have. This is gonna have first of all, on hover. So that way it has its own controlling script on whenever the mouse enters. We can also do on mouse leave. This is so ugly. Okay, on leave. And then we also need on use. What's up, defective prototype? How you doing? We're trying to come up with different ways of setting up mouse controls on Roblox. This is my kind of general idea. So right now I have a script that is on a build mode. Let's get it here. Did you are you out of school already? Or it depends on what time zone you are. I know streaming in the morning for my zone causes other countries to watch more, to be honest. So it's kind of funny. But I have a script for building, and then this is gonna call for it's gonna find objects, and those objects are gonna have a script called on mouse, or mouse interact, or build mode interact, or something, and then they'll have 3 different functions for now that I know of. It's midnight over there, or almost midnight, dude. That's got to be Australia. You have to be in Australia. The last guy that's almost midnight right now is in Australia. If I'm right, I should play GeoGuessr. Close? Oh my gosh. Japan. Although I feel like the odds of you knowing English in Japan is a little lower. Although you being in Japan would be sick. I'd have a Japanese viewer. That'd be awesome. It's 9:40 p.m. Yo, Syntax! What's up? Well, I know it's exactly 12 hours separated. I just didn't know. I don't know how close he considers close to midnight. Or almost midnight. So right now, whenever the mouse... so the last target is not nil, then we're going to call... dude, I could probably just do on mouse leave would be in here. Rather than having to connect it to this. That might be a better idea. I'll do this for now. And then we'll call on mouse leave on the last target. Or no. No, that's gonna be really bad. That's not gonna work. Never mind. So I don't think we actually need this. And then on mouse leave should return another object, I think. So another object will be returned, hopefully. I'm not actually checking that, but we're gonna have to hope. And we'll do if other object is not equal to last object. Is it a print? Last target. If it's not equal to last target, then return. Or else we were going to do target. Or we're gonna do other object. I know. You also code a little bit? What language do you code in? In Lua? Oh, nice. Were you learning also for Roblox? I know that's why most people join, is because they are also programming. I think it's awesome that people join programming on this stream. Heck yeah. Dude, I wish I started learning programming sooner in my life. I'm like 22 now. I'm like an old dude. But I still look like I'm a kid, so I can kind of get away with learning programming. So I think we're good. Last target dot... Is it... Can I do this? Get child? I'm gonna have to figure something out over here. Target dot get find first child. So we're gonna do find first child, and then we're gonna do build mode interactable. Tractable or tractable? I think interactable. Yo, what's up, Soul Tribe? What's up? What's up? I haven't seen you in like a day. I don't think you were here yesterday. I think that was a pretty fun thing to do yesterday. I wish you were there. That would have been so funny. On mouse move. We're also gonna do if target's nil, then return. That's good at least, but I know some basics. So, I mean, learning basics is all you really need. Everything is just off the foundationals of basics, so it's really good. It is really, really good. Okay, so I need to focus on when the mouse moves. If the target's not nil, then we're going to call the parent. We're going to look for the objects build mode interactable. Record later? Maybe. Today is honestly really busy for me. I have to edit a stream I was doing yesterday because I really want to work on it. I think it was really funny and the video could come out as like really funny. And I also wanted to do a RimWorld thing, and someone also commented on one of my videos to make a RimWorld video. So it was like, I kind of want to make the video while he's wanting it because I kind of want to make. I want to see if I can make good RimWorld videos, and if someone's waiting for one, then it'll be fun. Sam, dude, oh my gosh, I'm getting the whole squad over here. This is awesome. Left randomly? Yeah, no, you're good, dude. That's It got really stupid after after you left. Everything was just kind of like me trying to figure out what I was doing for like an hour. It was so bad. My coffee was wearing out. It was so bad. I did get a premonition of how I'm gonna edit the video though. I think it is actually gonna be a funny video. I just really need to work on it. So I'll do that. I'll do that probably tonight. You just made some? What did you just make? Love to see the final outcome. Dude, I think it's gonna be awesome. I genuinely think it's gonna be awesome. Also, I don't usually do this, but this is kind of sick. Coffee too? Oh, coffee. Dude, I hate coffee though. I can't do that. Can you guys see this? You should be okay. This is kind of sick. I don't think I've had that ever on a programming stream, which is the only reason I've been streaming, so this is awesome. Thanks everybody. Let me see. So we're gonna find the first build interactable. Thank you, Syntax. Thank you. W. I also added the chat so you guys can actually see. Like I can't see it in the stream, but I'd look at the monitor. Also, let me make you a mod. You're a mod because you can be a standard mod. There you go. I'm adding my friend that I know in person as a mod, so nobody feel left out. Please. On mouse use. We're also gonna call this, and then oh, dude. Sorry, dude. It is what it is. I should probably undo that because now he like in YouTube might not think he's actually a viewer, so maybe he's getting it lost at some point. We'll find out. If YouTube screws me over for adding my friend as a mod, it's over. No more mods. Select existing object. This is a separate function. Hey, Syntax. Is it normal practice to add modules to objects in the game? Like rather than a script, is it normal to just do a module instead? Because that's kind of like my whole plan right now. Is I give all of the interactable objects that are interactable in a build mode a universal build mode thingy. Wherever that is. New name. So like build mode interactable. Is this like standard practice to be able to do something like this? I don't really know. I really need. This is like. I want to try to ask you slightly more complicated questions that don't make sense. Because in Unity and like other stuff, this is like normal. Like you would just have code on a block. So let me know if it is normal, then that's good. If it's not normal, then I might do it anyways because I want to see if it works. That was kind of my whole plan right now. And then we'll do local target. Oh wait, no, hold on. What type of game are you making? Usually, wait, hold on. Usually you don't actually add scripts or modules into anything other than the server script service, server storage, replicated first, or replicated storage, but it will still work the same. It's just for organizing. Okay. Well, frick everyone else. This is my game. That's good to know. Might have to work into that. Defective prototype. I'm working on a tycoon animal. What is it? What's it called? Animal rescue. So it's an animal rescue tycoon. So you get animals and you take them back and you try to get them donated, and then you get money from like grants from like rich quote unquote place banks that will just give you money for doing a good job. And I want to have like a customized build mode, how Grocery Store 2 has it, or Retail Tycoon 2 has it, because I think that works really well. And people will want to play just because of that, I think. So that is the plan. But we got to go through a lot of hoops first. Also, so you're saying anything that usually don't add scripts or modules, anything other than server script service, server storage, replicated first. Or replicated storage, but it'll still work the same. It's just for organizing. Making a rooms fan game. Okay. Wait, if you actually make that, let me play that because I like rooms. It's one of like the 10 games I've played on Roblox. One thing to be aware of though is local scripts don't work in workspace. Module scripts work everywhere. Local scripts don't work in workspace. Don't work here. Okay. So hold on. It'll be called intertwined rooms. That'll be cool. I'm down for that. So you're saying not to do this, maybe. Maybe. Then I might just have to do it in server storage. I think so. So wait. Also, I should figure out more about the. I'll figure that out more later. So if I want something to be like visible on one player screen, I would just add it as a local script. Is my guess. Yours will still work. Don't worry. Okay, I'll do this for now then. Sounds good. Where's this at? So on here, we'll just do this here then. I'm gonna keep working on this then, I agree. For now. If I have issues in the future, I might have to actually go in depth with this with you, because or else it'll be confusing to me. Select existing object. That will be local build new object. Build object. Selected object. So we're gonna do local object is equal to that, and then if object is null, then return, or else we're gonna do selected object is object. Right now I'm waiting for my Roblox Studio to update because I can't size up Billboard GUI and some other bugs that needed fixing. Okay. Yeah, it seems kind of odd. I remember I was using a GUI so I didn't have issues, but it's like, obviously if you're having to update it, that's completely reasonable. So whenever the mouse gets used, we're gonna have a selected object. And then here we'll add code in the future for selected object has UI appear on how to interact with it. What I could also do is, instead of having a build mode interactable, dude, 7 people is awesome. Yeah, I saw it. I don't know if it's like someone just joining and leaving, like, because they don't, they're like, oh, I'm not interested in the stream, so I don't know what's going on there. You started with Roblox Studio. Dude, it's so free. You can make so much money off of this, instantly. Not really. It depends on what you make. I know if you make like, oh, just have a really great idea, it could be really good. Dude, Roblox Studio is so nice to work in. Like, unironically, it's so nice to work in. I do really like Roblox Studio. Okay, so we're gonna have the UI appear on how to interact with it in the future. And so like whenever you click on something, if I want it to be like customizable or like change the colors or highlights and stuff like that, I will have a UI appear like down here for the stuff to have on the screen. Like imagine this is the bottom of the screen, and then this is like the top. So down here I'll have like colors, sizing. Maybe you could change the size. That'd be kind of cool. But I would have to also adjust it with the grid blocks. So I'd have to like I'd have to size it by integers instead of floats, which is okay. Like even full stacks or Visual Studio, tons of bugs. Nah, dude, I think it's awesome. I think Roblox Studio is great. But yeah, I'll have stuff here, and then a rotate feature maybe. Probably only rotate it by 9 degrees. Maybe something else. We'll figure that out after. I think, well, actually I can figure it out in here. So, we'll have a local, let me see. We'll have it as local purchasing. Or, hold on, I need to figure this out. Because when there's also going to be a shop. So, just saying I haven't had an issue with Roblox Studio. Oh, okay, never mind. Oh, you mean full stacks. Okay. How do I make the mouse freaking thing bigger? Hold on. I'm kind of... How do I do this again? Oh my gosh. Dude, I work on like 3 different programs. So I kind of forget how to do the same thing on different projects. Oh my gosh, whatever. So imagine down here, we also have, instead of these like the rotation, this will like change down here, the bottom side. So this could also be the store, and I'll have different parts to buy here, like in Sims basically. So I need to set up a pool. I'll probably make this is purchasing, maybe. And then we'll set it to false as default. So then it'll have different interactions if it's purchasing or not. A team working add-ons, goated. Is this HUD lol? Kind of. I'm working on the back end of the HUD first. Local, I don't know. I'll leave it there. So for now, we're gonna work on the is purchasing one then. Although this is on a random script block, I don't even know it doesn't matter. So on is purchasing, so that means it's following the player's mouse, maybe. Let me do local function on mouse use. Or this would be a. This is gonna be the actual building of it. So, oh, I need to set up a grid system too. So I'd probably. Do I want to set up a grid? Okay, guys, let's vote. Let's set up a vote. Let's set up a vote. Let's set up a vote. I don't know how to actually do votes on YouTube, but we'll make it. Why is it just getting everything? Whatever. I don't know. I'd rather not do that. So whatever. Okay. Guys, let's set up a vote. Do we want a grid? Do we want a grid system for the building, or do we want free building? Free building allows for a lot more customizable things. We'll do 1 or 2. So just type 1 or 2 if you want. Which one? Or you can just type it out, either one. But if we do grid system, I'll have to set up a grid system, which shouldn't be an issue. And then people can only place on the grids. That will be that. I'll have to set up a grid system. But if you do free build, you'll be able to make customized things to make it look really unique. And I think that would be cool. The only other thing is that the grid system would add for more requirements of things. So like I could guide things, like I could guide like AIs or something better, I think. I don't know. There's benefits to having a grid. I just don't know which one I want to do yet. You guys let me know. for now, I could probably just set up the non-grid system and then we'll add the grid one if we need to. How do I get the mouse's location? So on mouse use, we're gonna do selected object. And then selected object dot on mouse use probably. Now we'll probably be in here too. We're gonna do build mode interactable dot on mouse use. Roblox Studio is the only platform that allows multiple people on the same project. I don't think that's true. I think Unity also lets you, but I don't know exactly how it works. Maybe you're right. Maybe you're right. Build mode interactable dot on mouse use. You're for the grid? Okay, we got one gridder. I don't think I want to say that. Alright, we got one for grid. Hold on. Costib, do you just want to see me like struggle? I just stream where I let all viewers edit my game. Oh, that sounds like pretty fun. That sounds like it's really fun. Build mode interactable on mouse use. Unity's different. Yeah, that makes sense. I kind of had high hopes for Unity, I'm not gonna lie. So build mode interactable. Dude, what am I thinking about right now? So this is the is purchasing is false. We'll just do true. Well, I guess it doesn't matter. It's all relative, right? So if is purchasing, then we want to call a different function. And then else we'll probably just call a different function. So function, this could be a local function. Local function purchase object. And then we're gonna need to pass through a vector 3, so we're gonna do position. Okay, Unity's different. This is so much better. We want grid. That's a good idea, syntax. Okay, we've got yeah. Defective. I'm kind of confused by what you were saying yeah to, or yeah to. We got 2 for grids. We got 3 for grids. No, we got 2 for grids still. We could still get a free build if you guys want a free build. Okay, we got 3 for grids. We could still get a free build. We got 6 people in here. We could tie it up. Guys, we could tie this up. This would be sick. Okay. So we're going to be working on a grid system. Honestly, the grid system's not that hard. We're just going to do position x. Position is equal to new. I'm going to do this for my sake right now, so that way it autofills, because I don't like this right now. Dot x position dot y position dot z. Okay, so now we can autofill stuff. Pre-build first though to make sure it works. Yeah, I could do that. Sam, we're setting up the we're interacting with objects now. So like in the build mode, whenever you like click on something, it'll have a certain way of interacting with the build mode. So like either purchasing it or interacting with it and opening up the editor mode. Right now I'm setting up the purchase one. So whenever you move around, then you'll be able to place stuff at certain positions. So like, let me pull up Krita. This is probably a better way to do this one. I have 2 drawing apps and I'm not an artist. Oh, you figured it out? Okay. As long as you know what I'm doing, I'm good. You see an issue? What's the issue? What's the issue? I see no issues right now. Position dot x is equal to position dot x dot. How do I make something a in float to int? Let me search this up. Hold on. Roblox, make a float in int. Is it floor? Math.ceiling float. Math.ceil will round up with math off, while math.floor will round down. So we're gonna do math.ceil. And we're gonna do position.x. Math.ceil position.y. And then we'll just do this for you. Math.ceil. Okay, so now we're kind of on a grid system. For the most part. Hold on, let me go back to chat. What's the issue you see, Syntax? I saw it, I didn't know if you typed it out yet. But if you see an issue and you don't want to tell me, then I will fix that issue before I even get to it. That's my idea. That's my plan right now. Unless it's like related to the modules, then I would actually need help on that. Other than that, maybe not. Maybe something else. Like 30 minutes? Okay. Is there a huge delay or is it just not working? Are you live on it? Something's happening with my stream. The stream's bitrate is currently at 20,000. It's higher than recommended bitrate. We recommend 6,800. No, it's fine. Never mind, don't worry. Okay, I think we're good. My bitrate is like super high, so I don't know if that's causing an issue. I don't think it would. I don't know. I don't know. Alright. So we're on the grid. And then okay. This is the little bit more confusing part. So the thing is it how big is the stud? Is the stud big? Why did I close Roblox again? Is the stud big? Are you gonna be calling the function and module from a server script? Server scripts are named script. I did not know that. I was gonna be calling the module from the server script. Is that an issue? It was gonna be calling from. Oh wait, it's gonna be calling from here. So if I call the module from the player script, then afterwards I could send something to the server saying, hey, this object got placed here. Would that work? Am I thinking about it right? I think I am, but I'm not sure. How big is the stud now? This is the real question. Okay, a single stud is... No, we're on free mode. Oh, its stud is right here. A stud is really small. 3, 4. I might make my objects 4 studs, potentially. Should I make every object like a thing like this? And I can make some 2. Some could be 4, like massive ones. But probably... Well, I would probably have... Well, a cage would probably be 4. I think a cage would probably be 4. Store sucks. This store sucks. That's fine. Yeah, I think we're just gonna do it because right now it goes to wait. What is X in this case? There's a couple of things I have to test really quick. Mostly the stud sizings. Okay, so position. Let's go to 150. The doors are stuck. I know. I know. Trust me, I know. Okay, so the studs are not aligned with the X position. There's no way. There's no way. There's no way. Don't say that. 120. There's no way. I guess it doesn't matter. One X position is a stud, I think. Oh, yeah, never mind. So a stud position is the center of the stud. Okay, it's different than Unity. Unity's like the corner. That's okay. That's okay, that's okay. I'll probably just work on that. Doesn't matter. So a stud is an X position. Should be okay. Now inside of here, I could do so if I want to check if things are overlapping, I'll just check if they're overlapping by this. Is there a better way of doing it? Maybe there is. So on connect, which will be there is one thing I would definitely, though you don't have to, but I want to explain it so you know. Putting a module script with the exact same code in each player when they join is kind of bad. Oh really? For memory? Do I just leave it as a... I mean, I guess it makes sense for memory. Does it really take up that much memory? That it's a concern? I guess for smaller computers, huh? So do I keep it on a server script? What's up, May Stuff? How you doing? We're having a fun time here. No, don't worry though, it's complicated. I know what you mean because the amount of players, this will be on every player from everyone's computer, so there will be technically 4 of these, right? Is that what you mean? There's gonna be 4 of each of these if there's 4 players. So that could be a cause for concern in the future if like I'm making a very big game. Oh, actually, also what I could do, you guys could also recommend stuff to add to my game, although I'd have to explain what my game is every time. I like the idea of having people interact with my stuff like that. But that'll probably happen in the future when the game looks better. So is there a way to do this? We'll just do this. Object is equal to parent. Script.parent. If you put in a server script, then you also have to think about the bool variable if you have it in the server script and changes for everyone when one person says something. I'd have to attach everyone's name to a variable, whether they're in the build mode or not, and stuff like that. Okay. What do you guys think of the music? You guys like the music? This is one of my favorite playlists. So object dot touched music. This music is so kawaii. I agree. This specific song is kawaii. So untouched, we're gonna connect. Is there any I could just... Yeah, I could. Untouched, connect, this function. And then we're gonna set local is placeable equals false. So now, if it's touching something, then the building, so the placeable is still false. But it's placeable is false. False. And then I could probably set up an error message if they click. Maybe. We'll see. And then object dot touch ended is equal to, or connect this function, which we'll do is placeable to false equals true for now. And then we'll start with is placeable. So if it's placeable, well, if it's not placeable, honestly. If it's not placeable, then return already, because obviously we're doing something wrong with the building mode. If is placeable, then we're gonna have to check for some other stuff, such as if we're in the grid. And something I would probably do here also is subtract the... I need to subtract the Tycoon's grid by this position. So let's do... how would I get the Tycoon plot parent? This music is fire. Let me make this a local. Local. I need this to be the Tycoon, so let's get the Tycoon. Is equal to script dot parent dot parent dot parent dot parent. Which I know it's not that, but how do I find first parent? Ancestor? Send a first answer of instance whose instance name is equal to the given one. Alright, cool. And then we'll just call this Tycoon plot. Perfecto. Just like right delayed banner, then it's happened. Oh. Oh. I need to... Hold on, my job just texted me something. For math.seal, I think you do minus 0.5 to each number to get it to the closest number. Hold on. I don't think so. I know every time you say something you're right, but hold on. I don't think so. Because... Hold on, my job is like... Just text me, this is kind of more of a priority thing that I needed to fix because it's like a big issue. Shot my sister's copies. Let me see. Is this working? Oh yeah. Let me see. This will take probably a minute. Just give me just a second. Just a second. I'm almost back. Slider? I need to make this one customizable. They deleted the top one. I'll just get rid of the top one for now. It's fixed. Let me know when you need to that is updated. Alright, I'm so sorry, guys. Okay. Alright, I'm back. I'm so sorry. I work from home, so sometimes I just have no choice but to work on something really quick. So, yeah. We're going to... Let me see. I wanted to look at this. This position... So minus 0.5 would be 4.5. So we're going to be on there. Because if I don't, then... Hold on. Alright, so we're going to do visualize with the top. So if we're halfway up, then it should go to this one, which would be plus the 0.5. But what I was thinking was that I'm not going to be using this exact grid. I'll just use some other thing. But I could just do subtract by half. So if I subtract by a half, I mean, it would still work. It would just be not on this tile grid, technically. But I can make it on the tile grid. That would make more sense. For now, at least, yeah. Minus 0.5, right? Do I want the ceiling to go to 0.5? Or do I want to do it after? It'd probably have to be... I mean, I guess it doesn't matter. We'll do before. Okay, we're going to do that. If not is placeable, then return. And then we need to set up other things to see if it's not placeable, such as if it's not in the grid or maybe some other reason. So now that I have the Tycoon plot, I could do... If I do Tycoon... Yeah, I'll do the Tycoon as like 0. So Tycoon minus position. And then this will be object. This will be the new position. No, this would be relative. If you have 4.2 and you have 0.5, then the after seal would go to 4, but without the 0.5, it'll go to 5. 4.6, 5, then after seal will be 5. Yeah. Wait. If you have 4.2 and you have 0.5, then math seal, then it'll go to 4. Without the 0.5, it'll go to 5. I'm yapping, by the way. No, you're good. I'm gonna make some monster designs for my rooms game. Sounds good. Are you good at Blender? Is that what you're using? I'm assuming you're gonna use Blender. I'm gonna have to make a separate one. Grid spot. So this is the location it's getting placed onto. This could honestly get deleted. Yeah, I think I'm gonna delete that. Use Sketchpad? I don't know what Sketchpad is. Let me search that up. I'm kind of curious. Sketchpad. Alright, everybody, now we get to find out what Sketchpad is. Oh, okay. It's just a little drawing thing. I'm assuming it's also free. Okay, cool. I use something called Krita. Krita is really awesome. This is a really great program. It's a free one also. Grid location. Okay. The reason I want the grid location, by the way. Yeah, of course, you're welcome. I think it's genuinely like awesome. This is Krita, by the way. It it kind of reminds me of Photoshop. There's just a couple things that are missing, but it's more of a drawing system, anyways. So it's not like anything crazy. Also, if you hold Shift, you change the sizing. This is, yeah. There you go. That's crit is nice. It's got a lot of function to it. That's what I use for my thumbnails mostly. All right. Also, Syntax, if you have to go to sleep, you can go to sleep, bro. You're good. I do appreciate some of the advice you were giving me. This is really helpful advice. I did need a lot of it. But if you want to go to sleep, you can. Don't stay here too long. I'm being asked when I'm done streaming, so what's that? I'm only an hour in still. It's so early. Today's so early, dang. Alright. So purchase object. If it's not placeable, then that. And then we're also gonna do if grid location dot x is greater than, for now, I'm gonna do 2000 because that's like a good mental number I could do. Or grid location dot z is greater than 2000. I guess I'm gonna do 1000, but we're gonna do positive. We're gonna make this absolute. Math dot absolute. And then we throw this in here. Math dot absolute. And then we do math dot absolute. So now we've got 2000 studs of playing space to have. Then if it's greater, then we're gonna return because you're not allowed to build there. Or else, in the end, then you can finally build your thing that you wanted to place because everything else is good. So now we learn how to place object. It's kind of funny that I don't know how to place an object. I'm not gonna lie. Local object is equal to game that replicated storage that builds. Find first child. Whoa. How do? What does that mean? Buildables. Replicated storage. Events. Is there supposed to be a folder in here called buildables that I'm supposed to make? And then can I save parts to build? And I name this buildables? Object.name. My cat's meowing outside of my room. Hold on, I gotta go get him. Alright, cat has been secured. I do have a cat. He's a black and white. He's really cute. He has he's got a white like mustache. He's got a black chin, and then he's got the black top of his face. That's really funny. Oh wait, I think yeah. So his face looks like an Oreo. It's so cute. I love him. He's the best cat. He's also the first cat I've ever owned personally. So now we're gonna look for parts. Oreo cat Srup. What does Srup mean? But yeah, he's really cute. I really love him. So now we can clone, right? Object.parent equal tycoon. Sorry, I'm bad at typing though. You're good. It's fine. Let me see. This purchasing equals true. Object.answer string change to connect. What? We're just gonna. So what does this do? This returns a new part. And then object.parent is equal to tycoon. Okay. And then object move to position. Position is that, yes. And then is purchasing, we can. Wait, I guess we could set that to true. Maybe. Alright, thank you for the likes, by the way. Thank you for all the hearts. There's a lot of hearts coming through. I just see those on the side of my screen. It's so funny. What else do I do here? No, its purchasing doesn't change. This is like set before. Alright, so now we create the block and set it down there. So is that what I want to do? I think so. Alright, now on mouse use, I need to pass through a position for the mouse. Mouse position. Oh, messages. Forget. Energy, I don't know why, but just show help. It's the ticks, I believe you do. But, let's see what you say. Lots of hearts. Yes, this, too many hearts, maybe. No, not really. You can't have too many hearts. I'm just kidding. I just highlighted everything. Okay, we're good. So next is actually getting this connected to the purchase land. I call this purchase land. This is not purchase land anymore, by the way. This is just build mode features. Selected object at mouse on mouse use. Well, another issue is that this code, that's so loud. Oh, my bad. Hold on. Where do I mute this at? I took it off streamer mode because I didn't think it was an issue. Now it's an issue. Alright, we're back in streamer mode. I cannot watch your video right now. Hold on. It's gonna be blasting. Oh my gosh, my cat wants to get petted. This is unfortunate because now I am forced to pet him. And I can't actually do anything. Also, yeah, don't get a cat if you want to, like, not be interrupted at times. Cats are awesome, I agree. That's not what you said, but I agree with cats are awesome. The only problem, right, is like right now, I'm not allowed to do anything. If he sees me doing anything else, I will be forced to pet him. It's kind of annoying. But he only does this like once or twice a day, so it's not like the biggest deal in the world. And I could also just start playing and then he'll start playing with something else. So if I could find his toy, which I might do, I will play with them. I found a toy. We'll throw this and see how he does. Alright, we're good. We got rid of him. We're good. The next step. The problem is, I think most of this has to get sent to the purchase landscape. Yeah, this needs to get sent over here. Honestly, I can't do that here. Yeah, well, welcome back, Defective. What's up? What's up? I honestly didn't realize you left. There isn't much going on. Oh, this song is so good. This song is so good. There is an issue appearing in this script. I need to fix this. I made it look a little molten, not gonna lie. Oh, that's pretty sick. I wonder if do you wanna join the Discord and just send photos of it? I think that'd be pretty sick. If you want to, you don't have to. But that's the Discord if you want to join. It's a pretty good Discord. I do nothing in there except for I don't really do anything in here actually. I usually just respond whenever someone types something. But I don't announce that I'm streaming anything, so you won't be annoyed by any notifications if you do join. That is my promotion for the Discord. The promotion is over. No more promoting Discord. Alright, next step is transferring all this buying stuff to the other script, because that was kind of a bad idea to put over here. Dude, this song is so good. This song is so good. Okay, now because I'm moving this to a different location, getting the tycoon plot will be a little different. This object can go back here actually. I don't need it there. Its purchasing goes away now. Heads up, we took the audio belonging to someone else. Your stream may be temporarily blocked. If you plan to continue, ensure you... Okay, guys. Gotta skip this song. It's too good for YouTube. YouTube's kind of wild. That's good though. I also use stream times to figure out what songs I can use for YouTube. So this is also very helpful. I'm really happy about that. So YouTube is kind of a dub. Okay. Build mode interactable on mouse. Use mouse position. That's okay. We'll leave it there. I do kind of need this over here. And I just realized I'm also going to have to clone the object before I actually set up anything. So hold on, I'm kind of thinking a little bit. Selected object is probably what I'll have to use here. So whenever selected object gets set up, so if selected object is not equal to no, then well, hold on. This is kind of... So, selected object and selected object name. We need to have a separate one. So, selected object name. So, selected object name is not equal to no. We'll figure this out later. Okay. There's two selected objects. Where am I using this one at? Nowhere so far. Good. Okay, so we're gonna have selected object and we're gonna have selected object name. Selected object name will be none. Or we'll just set it to no, honestly. Select object. So if selected object name is not no, then we're gonna have to set up a little bit in here. If selected object is equal to no, then we gotta clone something. We gotta use the game replicated storage stuff. So selected object is equal to game.replicated storage, find first child. Was it something else though? No, I don't think so. Okay, I'm gonna go sleep now. W stream though to keep it up. Thanks, man. Hope you have a good night. Game dots. Replicated storage. Dots. Buildables. Alright, now inside of buildables we get find first child of, and we're just gonna do part for now. And instead of this, we're gonna do if true for now, because I want to test. So if true, then we're doing this, and then if selected object is nil, which is gonna start nil. We're also gonna need a local is placeable. Local is placeable. Placeable. Did I misspell it? Is equal to false. Well, I guess I don't know. Hold on, I'm kind of. There's a lot going on right now. A lot of random lines everywhere. Oh hey, it's time 40. Okay. Okay, so my main part that I need is I need to set the select object that move to. There was a move to, wasn't it? That position. Move. C frame. That's C frame. Maybe? Move? No, there was a way to move it. How did I move it? Just object move to. The selected object. Move to. And then that would be again. We'll set up a local function for getting local function. You like this song? Is that what all the reactions are for? If you like the song, I can also send the link in chat. That way you can listen to it on your own. It's also actually I could send this whole playlist. This whole playlist is fire. Here. We'll do this. That way you guys can listen to this music whenever you want. Every song in this playlist is a banger. You can listen to it after the stream though. This song is also copyrighted, whatever. You can listen to it after the stream because I'm already listening to it, so you don't want to play it twice, you know? Unless you want to leave the stream, but you don't have to do that, you know. I'm just kidding. Do whatever you want. We're gonna move on to selected object to move to. So that should be good. But the position is the important part. So we're gonna set up the local function grid position. Oh, this song. This is actually a crazy song. I'm not gonna lie. This is actually a crazy song. Mouse dot hit that position. This song is actually crazy. And then we can get grid position here. So now when I'm in the build mode, it should spawn in a part that I can move around. And just for the sake of staking it, we're gonna also set transparency. Or no, we're gonna take it to not collision. can collide is equal to false. Alright, now I'm really hoping when I enter build mode this will happen. No, something's happening. I'm having a lot of issues. Requested module experience an error while loading. Build mode toggle script 2. Yeah, build mode probably. That makes sense. That makes sense. Build module script. Build mode script. What is build mode script? Is it the whole thing? Okay, so we're gonna disable purchase land. I just want to make sure this works. No, I'm having another issue still. Am I calling land script ever? Yeah, I am. Oh, you know what? I don't think I have enabled purchase anymore. I think it's just function build controller build mode. So within here, we're gonna start build mode. But I don't have the land script, so I know this whole script works. It's just gonna be the building area stuff. It also still failed. I need to assume it's down here. It's an issue. You must publish this place to web to access data store. It should be fine. I was kind of expecting this, I'm not gonna lie. Oh wait, I'm sorry. Forgot about that one. Okay, let's undo that. I forgot there's a lot of depth as to those blocks are falling. Okay. So yeah, having an issue loading. So something in here is not working, of course. That's fine. I'll figure that out. The position is kind of weird. Okay. So of course the issue is build mode in here. And then the other issues is going to be on connect. Let's minimize so I can tell what's going on. So when we start here, we go on mouse move. On my mouse move, it instantly called. And then the target is equal to mouse. Mouse doesn't look like a real word to me anymore. It's kind of weird. Okay. What is next? So we go to on mouse move. On mouse moves gets the target is equal to mouse start target. Then if this is true, selected object is equal to nil. Then we'll just do true here too for now. No, we can't. If it's a nil, then find this part. This should work, right? I hope so. What is next? I think it might be also on mouse leave that might be causing issues. If other object is not equal to last target, then return. I'm gonna just comment that out. So the module still experienced issues. That's okay. There's definitely gonna be a lot of debugging here. This is gonna be a little slow. I think this might be it. I forgot about that. Workspace dot find. Oh, dude. I forgot about that. I forgot I needed a tycoon. So that's at least one of my issues. I don't know if that's the only issue. Okay. So we're gonna comment this out, I guess. And we'll try again. Still experiencing an issue. I don't see any more errors in here, so it might just be actually something that's not working. Good positions up here. Dang, this is tough. This is actually tough. I added so much stuff that now it's kind of too late to figure out what's working and not. We're gonna do that for now. We're gonna disconnect that. Yo, you're hopping off? Sounds good, Sam. Have a good rest of your day. You too. You too. Thanks for joining. We're having a big issue right now, everybody. This is gonna take a while, so if you're getting bored, feel free to leave. At this point, I'm kind of just like a music stream, so up to you. Oh my gosh. Let me see. Just on mouse move. On mouse use. You got a job interview today? Dude, good luck. What's the job for? What's the job for, dude? That's exciting. I don't think Albacis gets called. Mystic? Miscellaneous? Just a welding position, 20 hours start, basic labor job. No requirements besides being able to breathe well. Hell yeah. I hope you get that. That'd be sick. That would be really nice. There'd be a big ups. I haven't applied anywhere in a while, so like I haven't felt that feeling of anxiety for a bit, but I know it sucks, dude. I know it sucks. I should probably apply to other jobs just because I have a lot of free time. But I also like focusing on being able to work on YouTube stuff. I think YouTube's really fun to work on. It's like also my dream. So like if I can get away with working on YouTube as long as I can for now, then I'll be pretty excited. Yeah. Dude, this song always makes me want to cry. I don't know why. This one always makes me want to tear up. It's that Jinko, that part's crazy. I don't really know what's going on with my code. This is why no one hires me, let's be real. Oh. Move to is not a valid member of part. Move to is not a valid member of part. Buildable sub part. Okay, so at least we know what's going on. We're right there. We've got it working. This is good. This is really good. This is really good. I'm actually really happy. Adventure. I've heard this one thing for a job interview that I haven't tried personally, but I think would be a really good idea. If they ever ask you if you have any questions, I would ask. This came from what's his name? Pirate Software. He said that if they ask you if you have any questions, ask them how they would use you in the position that they're hiring you for. Because it makes them imagine that you're actually already working there, and it makes them think about how they would have you working. Oh, that was a bad voice crack. But basically, it kind of manipulates them into thinking that you already work there very minorly, and so they would want to see how to use you specifically, not just some random person that is just basic. Because you're better than everyone else that's applying, guaranteed, always. So, I would ask that question. That's a really good question. Whether it's gonna get you the job, I don't know. I don't know, but that is a really good question, and I will probably be using that in further applications/interviews that I ever have. Yeah, I know, right? I always try to ask a question too. Yo, Mad Cat, what's up? Yeah, I heard that from Pirate Software. He's kind of a genius. Kind of big brain. He's I mean, people know about him, I think, but if you don't know about him, he worked at Blizzard, I think, and he worked at other companies from what I remember, and so he kind of got a lot of the smart information to have, but that was like the top tier like information I've ever heard from him was that one line. Questions I'll usually ask is like how much people like working there and like how people are, but I feel like those questions are kind of mid, not gonna lie. I just hope not everyone's using that question now because Pirate Software made those shorts. I'm not gonna lie. It'd be really funny if like the third person walks in and is like, "Yeah, how would you use me?" And they're like, "Well, like the last people, we would use you like this." But I don't know if it's like public, like broad knowledge yet to say that. So I would use it whenever you can. If you don't get the job because you said that one question, then I'm very sorry. I apologize, and I will not be held responsible. No, I do hope you get the job though. That'd be really great. It sounds like a really good opportunity for money. Alright, so on mouse move. Where am I at? It's the part move to part. So we're just gonna set selected object dot transform, or not transform, dot cframe dot position. Can I just do position? Yeah, I can. That position is equal to greater position. So let's see if that works. I don't see a part. Did a part get made? I guess I wouldn't know. Let's do this. Workspace, Tycoon plot. Let's expand everything. I did not see a part get made, so I don't think a part got made. I really hope that it works like that. I'm kind of confused if it actually does or not. That's alright. Alright, so next is getting this to work. Selected object dot transparency is equal to 0, just to make sure I can see it. I don't know if I can actually see this block. Well, I can. Oh, it's one of the massive walls. It's one of these massive walls over here. So yeah, this should be getting placed. I don't know what's going on. Let me see. Where did that get set? I don't think it... I think it got deleted. I'm not gonna lie. How does this work? Oh, I didn't clone it. I never cloned it. That's the other issue I was having. Okay, well, I mean, I still didn't clone, but do I have to click? No, I just thought it was on a mouse move. On mouse move. Interesting, interesting. Is this a return part? Dude, I'm like kind of confused. Because this should be working. I guess I could print cloned object. Oh yeah, it says we got the cloned object there, so we know it cloned it at least. Now, might want to. I'll set the Y to like 4. Question: what got you interested in coding? What do you like about coding? I'm gonna be honest. That's kind of a hard question for me. It's a lot of different things. So the way I got into coding, that's also a weird question for me too, because I don't exactly know. When I started coding, I can tell you this. So I started playing RimWorld. RimWorld is a top-down colony sim management game. It's also a survival game. So this is RimWorld, if you don't know RimWorld. Basically, you manage colonies and you just tell your colonists what to do. And so I was playing that a lot in high school. I think most of my hours came from high school. I have 400 hours. Most of the hours came from high school. This is also before this is after I pirated the game. I had played the game a lot more before I pirated it. Or before I bought it. That's what I should say. So I also took it to school a lot, and I was always interested in computers. I always thought I was going to be more of a hardware guy and like wanting to make graphic cards and stuff like that. But I realized I don't like math that much. At least not that much. I'm like decent at math to the point where like coding isn't too bad, but it's still like kind of hard sometimes. So in high school, I had like a pirated version on my USB. I'd go to school and take that and play it all day, and I got like 5 of my friends to play it consistently every day in one of our classes, because it's a computer class that we don't learn anything in. So we just played games the whole time. The entire class we just played games. And that's kind of what I started getting interested in coding, because I was like, oh, RimWorld's pretty sick, and then I know people were making hella mods for this game, so I was like, oh, I guess I'll try to make a mod. It'd be kind of cool. And I've always was interested in computers, and I just recently built a computer, and so I kind of realized when I built my computer, I didn't like I liked building it, but I don't think I would like making hardware. So when I was playing RimWorld, I was like, oh, it'd be kind of cool to try to mod a game. And I was abysmally bad at programming, but that's kind of how I got into it. I started modding RimWorld, and I wasn't good at it. Like, I never got a mod out, but I did kind of find out that coding was interesting and fun. The parts that I like about coding is the problem solving. I guess things like this too. So one, the problem solving. Two is coming up with ideas to solve the problem. But not just that. It's more like building a system more. Like building a system to solve that problem rather than just solving that problem. So this was kind of my idea on how building stuff in a game would work. And so I like trying to piece these things in my head. It's kind of like video editing too, where like I like to envision the end result and I like building it to get there. So like sometimes at night when I go to sleep, I'll just have like very vivid imagery of how I want a video to look like, and then I'll wake up or I'll get up at like 2 in the morning and I'll just start editing, or I'll just start programming or something. Usually not the programming one. Usually I'll wait till the day after the program. But with editing, I'll just get up at like 2 a.m. and start editing because I'm like, dude, this is great. This is like perfect. I need to work on it while it's fresh in my brain. But for programming, it's more like being able to see the end result and then build upon it. And the problem solving aspects as well. It's also just really good mental brain activity. So like my brain's not rotting away just playing games and stuff. And I like feeling productive, so learning code is always fun, and it doesn't make me feel like I'm wasting time because I'm always getting better at something that is viable for a career. No matter what path I take in that area, I guess. So I would say first would be designing a system, or kind of imagining a result. Imagining results. So seeing a result in my head is fun. I love doing that. But also then going into building it. So this goes with video editing also. So video editing and coding got two paths. So building up this, and then the next part I like about it is solving the issues that I have, so the problem solving aspects of it. And the final reason is that in the back of my head, I always know this is going to be useful for a career. Whether I get a career off of YouTube or I get a career off of getting hired somewhere, this programming is always going to be a part of my life no matter what path I go, I think. So I feel like this is my last, but also probably one of my greatest motivations is knowing that it's not useless. So I have a big problem with like doing things and like having the mental of it being kind of a waste of time. So like playing games and stuff like that, when I play video games, I get addicted for like a couple of days and then I stop playing games for a consistent amount of time, unless it's for videos. And that's because I just find it as useless. Like playing 30,000 games of League is a waste of time. And so I'll get addicted for a couple of days and I'm like, this is not getting as fun as anymore. But yeah, let me keep that up there. I think the creative process is fun in most mediums, but it's easier to enjoy the mediums I'm better at. Editing is fun, like you said. I wish I was better at it, though. That is something as well, is that people generally are just better at certain things. What I envision and what I can produce is very different. Yeah, coding seems like a good skill to have, and I respect your productivity. Thanks, man. I actually do have. I've gotten into art recently because I want to make a game, but I don't have an artist that wants to work with my art design, and I don't have money to pay somebody. So I started learning how to draw, which is why I have Krita and A-Sprite. It's because I wanted to learn how to draw. And that was like... I think that learning how to draw helped me learn how to work on something I don't like. I don't like drawing. This is... I genuinely hate drawing. I hate... Yeah, what's up, Defective? I'm talking about drawing and programming and why I got into programming. But I hate drawing. And it felt weird because anytime that I drew, and I would see small bits of progress. You sent the monster in Discord? Oh, I gotta look at that. Hold on. Wait, everybody pause. Everybody pause. That looks pretty sick. I think if that's like the face of it, that'd be pretty cool. I know you could definitely add little effects to it, but it's a good face. IMO. But yeah, I hate drawing. I would see progress, and then I don't know why it's filling the whole thing. Anyways, I would see progress, right? Like my progress bar would go up, and so like I'd be like very slightly better. But after like a week of not working on it, so 1 week later, even though my progress bar is still technically up here, when I was drawing, I felt like I didn't learn anything. Like this is just like I learned nothing in all the months of work that I put into drawing. And it was really frustrating because I wanted to make the game. We'll make another. Sounds good. Let me know when you're done. I'll look at it. But I would just feel like I made no progress, and I hate that. I hate that feeling, which is one reason I don't like drawing, is because the progress I feel when making drawing is like disappears, and I don't feel like it's like real progress for some reason. But I also know that I've only been drawing for technically like 3 months. And even then it's like on and off. Whereas video editing I've been doing for like 7 years on and off, which is a lot more time, even if it's still on and off. So I've just gotten better at it over time rather than trying to rush progress. So that might be another reason I don't like drawing, but I also just find it hard to envision small things like the individual parts of a drawing as opposed to the overall feeling of a video. I am much better at visualizing larger scale things than smaller scale. Is my thing. So that's why I think video editing is better for me. Even though they're both the same like kind of creative aspects area, it's still like I don't know. The process is fun most mediums, but it's easier to enjoy mediums and better at. Yeah, I do also agree with that. Being like, yeah, I don't know. For me, it's just that feeling of like I didn't make any progress. That's the only thing. And video editing, I know I've made progress because some things will be more entertaining or some things will look nicer and whatever. But like in drawing, I don't feel that. So I don't enjoy it as much, I feel like. I also like the end result, and I know I can get to the end result quicker with video editing. But yeah, I have the exact same opinion as not enjoying things that you don't enjoy, or not enjoying things that you don't like as much. I feel like it's normal to have that feeling. Now I get it. Drawing, even if you're good at it, is soul crushing. It kind of is. I've seen people that do like drawing and still struggle a lot with drawing. The playlist is over. I need another song playlist, which this person just has really good banger playlists, so I'm gonna play this one. This is where I got a lot of my original music from, actually, now that I think about it, was this playlist. I think this one's the artist is Pablo? Boy Pablo? Yeah, heck yeah. Guy's sick. Drawing is horribly soul crushing, especially when you don't like it. I wanted to get good at drawing so I could make videos of like you don't need to be good at drawing to draw, and like make drawing related videos. But then I got this Roblox idea and I was doing videos more than I am drawing now and working on that game. And working on this game, I don't have to do the visuals because the person I'm going to make this game with is working on making the 3D models and drawing and stuff. And they're really good at art, so they're going to have a lot more fun with it than I am. And they're gonna have better results than I do. So it's just a better choice overall to get away from making a game on my own right now. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Also, this thing is not working. Alright, so having an issue with copying these, but yeah, I don't know how to clone an object, I'm not gonna lie. So we're gonna leave that here for now. It should be okay. Yeah, of course this song is copyright, by the way. It doesn't matter. But oh, I have Celsius. Awesome, I wish you luck with that, and I shall definitely try to play the game when you have it finished. Thank you. Hopefully it's fun enough to play it, because I know I'm gonna put a lot of work into this, and I do want to make it an enjoyable experience for people that, because I want to make money off of it, obviously, but I want to make it enjoyable for people that don't pay for the game and stuff like that. So that way, people that want to pay for the game will get onto the game also. So, but yeah, I appreciate that. Also, anyone that joins the streams will probably end up being a tester of the game if they would like to. I'm clocked in. I'm skipping this part because I don't know how to clone stuff. I'm clocked in. Jada's the one that's making the game assets though, by the way, so thank Jada for taking away the responsibility of having to make art off of my plate. Now I can have more exciting streams where I know what I'm doing. Dropped a couple arts in Discord. Let me see. Bro, that is sick. I was waiting to see if you said that you drew that. That is awesome. That is so cool. I'm gonna give you every reaction I can. That is so cool. Alright, I gotta clock in. Okay, so once I figure out how to clone and play stuff, this is done. On mouse leave. This is if selected object name. If the selected object is not existent. Tag. This song is so good. Okay, on mouse leave. What was here? So yeah, so find first child, build mode interactable. The problem, I might not make build mode interactable onto everything. I might just give every part a bool enum. A bool. We could do a string value, and then we define how to interact with it in here, maybe. And then everything can have a highlight color and then a secondary color, and everything will be like based off of that, maybe. Potentially, that's my guess for now. So yeah, we're gonna work on that then. We're gonna give everything a value instead of that, so that way in the future, if I want to get away from the modules, I don't need the modules. All right, so if I don't need them, I can get away from them. That's what I should have said. But yeah. Here's the other one. Dude, that one looks sick. I think that one could be a good sketch monster. Like if you make a monster, like not a stick figure monster, but it's like, I don't know how to describe it. I can't find a good image of it. But if you make a monster that looks like sketched out, like sketched outlines and stuff like that, and a bunch of like squiggly lines for the 3D model, it's like transparent and everything, that could be really cool looking, I think. Okay. My job is messaging me quite a bit right now. I wish they weren't. I wanna work on a stream before I start working on work stuff. Oh, well, I already have stuff existing like that, so let me just tell her which ones if they're still working. Alright, I gotta take another 5-minute break. Theme. Oh, I see. So my things that I made a long time ago aren't working anymore. This song is so good, by the way. So I made something for work a while ago that was supposed to track information, but looks like it's gone now. Maybe I could have it backed up somewhere. Oh, dude, I don't have it backed up. That kind of sucks. Okay, well, I'm not gonna work on that right now, exactly. I will have to work on that later. Wait. Maybe. Maybe I do. So this could be pretty quick. Oh, I do. Big. This is big. I don't have to do this again. Let's go. Alright, this is kind of big, guys. I don't have to work on this thing anymore. Let me see if it's working now. Alright, this is pretty nice. I don't have to worry about that. I also can't see you guys' comments. Hold on. Should I try making it A60? I don't know what A60 is. A-60. I have no idea what A60 is. I couldn't even find it online. Oh. Alright. Let me send this work thing really quick. Okay, that one. Okay, so I need to send that. That one red running monster from rooms. I don't think I ever... Is that like the running scene? I think I might have gotten there at some point. This is almost done. There's Pinterest. Oh, there it is. Alright, we're done with that. Cool. Alright. If you want to make that one running red monster, I don't really remember him from rooms. Alright. Might end the stream. Oh my gosh, wait, it's been an hour already? Dang, that was fast. Okay. That was really freaking fast. That was crazy. Oh, I unpaused my stream. Hold on, that's bad. Okay, that was really fast. I mean, I got this kind of working. That's not bad. I'm gonna rename this, and maybe we're done for today. And I also came up with a better way of doing this, maybe. Purchase land. This will be renamed to build mode mouse controller. Alright. Chat, thank you for stopping by. I don't like saying chat, so I'm gonna I'm gonna say gamers. I call everyone that I know, all my friends, gamers. Like, I just join voice chat and I just say gamers, or yo, what's up, gamers, and like crap like that. So chat, you guys will be named gamers from now on. So hold on. Build mode mouse controller. We'll call this BMC. Alright, gamers, I will see you later. Have a good time. Bye-bye. Have a good one. I'll wait until some people say bye, because I know I like when waiting. Matu, have a good day. Good luck on your interview. That's really important. Good luck, good luck, good luck, good luck. See you guys. Defective, I'll be looking at Discord every once in a while to look at your stuff. I have notifications on now that I'm not streaming anymore. Peace out. Thanks for being here. I really appreciate it.